Now let us discuss about greedy best first search algorithm. There are different types of best first search such as recursive best first search, greedy best first search. Greedy best first search is a type of best first search that expands the node with the lowest h of n value. H of n means heuristic value. So here we have to expand the node with the least heuristic value, which is the node that appears to be closest to the solution. So if the node is having lower heuristic value, then we can say that that node is closest to the goal node. Here our goal is to reach a solution quickly. Therefore, the evaluating function is f of n equal to h of n. Here we will consider only heuristic value only. No need of any edge cast. Now let us solve this problem with the help of this algorithm. So first step, start from the initial node. Here A is the initial node, G is the goal node. Here edge cast as well as heuristic value is specified. Here we need to consider only heuristic value. So beside the node, this heuristic value is specified. So h of A equal to 7. Heuristic value of A is 7. So the cost from A to G is 7. If we consider C, h of C equal to 5. The cost from node C to node G is 5. The heuristic value of goal node is 0. So here what is the start node? A is the start node. Next, second step, select the node having lowest heuristic value. So first we expand this node. What are the successors of A? B, D, C. B, D, C are the successors of A. B heuristic value is 6. D heuristic value 4. C heuristic value 5. Here we always consider only heuristic value. Out of 6, 4, 5. So 4 is the small value. So we can say that D is having least heuristic value. You expand that node. So D will becomes the best node. So now we have to expand this node. So now we can say that this node is closest to the goal node. So what are the successors of D? F, E. F, E. F heuristic value 3, E heuristic value 2. So out of 3 to 2 is lower value. So we can say that E is the best node. So this node is closer to the goal node. So now we expand E node. E is having 2 successors. F, G. F heuristic value 3, G heuristic value 0. So out of 3, 0, 0 is the smaller value. So this G is the goal node. So we can stop the process now. So now let's find what is the path. So we are traversing from A to D, next D to E, next E to G, E to G. So this is the best path if we use greedy best first search algorithm. Now let us find the path cast. In order to find the path cast, we have to consider edge cast. A to D, what is the edge cast? 4. 4. Next, D to E, edge cast is 1. Next, E to G, edge cast is 4. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. So this is the edge cast. So this is about greedy best first search algorithm.